November Sketchbox. Just came in the mail. It feels on the light side. It feels like there might be like one, I don't know, like one little bottle of ink, like a little, and everything else is like paper or something. So I'm a little nervous it's going to be like pastels maybe. Sorry. Uh-oh. What's that? Oh, I see paint. Okay, good. Mixed media. Oh, gouache. Okay. Oh, gouache. You only get one tube? Oh, no, there's a couple. Okay. Okay, so you get red, blue, and yellow. And a brush. Oh, no, you get another one. Yeah, you get two more. Burnt umber. I don't know if I have any gouache by M. Graham. I know I have some watercolor. Cobalt green pale. Ugh. Looks like... Uh-oh. Looks like it was punctured. I better put something over that so it doesn't stick. Paper on the floor for Murphy. Oh, that's good. I like gouache. Okay. Not sure. Should I always look at the picture and I go, should I do that? I don't know. We'll see. So we got burnt umber from M. Graham. So brown, cobalt, carmine, permanent yellow, and Prussian blue. So Prussian blue is a good blue. It's a cute little sticker. We got a tiny little brush. It's a flat. That's a bright. I don't know what's the difference between a flat and a bright, except maybe a bright is a little more tapered. I don't know. So bright number 4. All right, let's, and this paper is, I don't know, it just says mixed media. Premium Stillman and Byrne. I've seen it before, but I don't think I've ever, I don't remember using it. So let's do a little swatch. All right, so let's do this one. I didn't know they made gouache. So this is regular gouache and not the acrylic gouache. Ew. So you can move it around like watercolor. It's just a little, it's an opaque version of watercolor. So they give you the 3 primaries, which is good. A brown and a green. God, look at it, it's all coming out in a big chunk. Well, it's a little chunky, but maybe I can put like a little piece of tape over it or something. All right. I don't think it really matters because it's not the acrylic gouache. I had one time, I think I showed you, Murphy chewed on one of my acrylic gouaches and chewed a hole in it. So he dried it all out, so I had to get a replacement because you can't reactivate it. So this, if it dried out, I could just like peel it out of the tube and like put it in a pan or something. I've actually done that. I had a gouache that was kind of hard and drying out, so I just cut the tube open and shoved it into a little watercolor pan. I love Prussian blue. I think that's a very pretty color. Oh, this water's all blue. I don't want to. I put it in my hand. That's what I usually do. Because the yellow, I should have done the yellow first. It's the lightest. Let's see how they mix. This is good paint. What? Now, who makes this? This is. Oh, this is one of those Chinese brands, isn't it? Shinhan Professional Designers Gouache. Yeah. I've seen that name before. Shinhan Art. I need more water. see the red's already starting to dry, but yeah, you can just wet it and it comes alive. So let's do a little orange, maybe. Maybe. Oh yeah, that's a nice orange too. Mmm. Did I do this? I think I just wet it. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it dries pretty fast, but like it doesn't matter. You can just bring it back to life. I don't know what I can do with this. You know, I always want to do a portrait, so at least I have the brown, but I have to work these colors in. I kind of want to use all the colors. All right, so that's what I'll do. I'll go away. Oh, the paper is, okay. When it's on the thinner side, I feel like it's gonna buckle if I use a lot of water. So probably have to be a little sparing on the water. Usually if I use gouache, I'll use watercolor paper. So I will go do, I'll go do something, come up with something, and I'll come back and I'll show you and let you know about the products. All right, I'll be back. Bye. Okay. I'm doing this in the bedroom. I decided to finish this video because we're supposed to have a big storm tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm gonna have electricity enough to upload this. So anyway, this is the rest of the Sketchbox video. I worked on a little picture. All right, there. Not this, but I did use this. I just wanted to put that with it to show you that I used, did I use them all? I used the brown, blue, I used the yellow, red. Yes, I used this with the green, I think. So yeah, I used them all. They're nice. You know, I'm surprised because I don't have a whole lot of experience with gouache, but yeah, it's nice. It worked fine. The paper was fine. This is the picture I came up with, and I wanted to show you the original picture is here. I did change the colors a little bit because when I did it when I went to my little art meeting that I go to on Mondays, and I forgot my iPad, so I didn't have the picture with me. I had drawn it, so I had already drawn it out, but the colors, I remembered that the top was black, but I just didn't want to do it black. I just thought it would be more colorful, and plus then I could use all the colors in here. The only thing, the addition was I did use a little bit of this because I had it with me, and I just wanted a little bit of white here. It's basically, I think I might have used a little on the skirt too. So that's the original. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, the paper was fine. It's small, but the paper's nice. Did I say it was a hot press? I don't have it with me. I think it was hot press. It's nice, yeah. So that's it, really. I don't know what else I can tell you. It was pretty good. So I didn't use the brushes. I think that was, or was there only one brush? There was one brush. Because I think the brush was like a flat brush, so I was using a pointed brush or like a round brush. Yeah, that is this month's Sketchbox. So good stuff. This is not bad, and I was and I hadn't used it before, so, and there's a lot in here. I found that I do have some tiny little gouache tubes, the Holbein. And I found a lot of them are getting like really hard inside the tubes for some reason. I don't know why, but I really have to squeeze to get out. So, you know, I'm not sure how this will react. I don't know if all gouache is like that, but anyway, this is several years old, so maybe that's why. I don't know. So anyway, that is this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.